Welcome to this tutorial on creating and refining Booknest, a platform that helps users build and manage their personal online library. In this video, we'll go through key steps in developing the app with Fenado, enhancing its functionality, navigation, and overall user experience. Let's get started. Right now, we don't have Booknest, so let's make it. We need a platform where users can effortlessly organize, catalog, and track their book collections. The goal is to make it easy for both casual readers and dedicated book collectors to manage their libraries and discover new reads. To bring this vision to life, we type the following prompt into Fenado. Modify the web app to create Booknest, a platform that allows users to build and manage their personal online library. Users should be able to easily organize, catalog, and track their book collection in one place. The app should cater to both casual readers and passionate book collectors, helping them discover new reads and access their library anytime, anywhere. Ensure smooth navigation, intuitive UI, and a user-friendly experience. And just like that, Fenado creates Booknest. Let's refine it further. Once the web app was generated, we noticed an issue. The Login and Learn More buttons on the homepage were barely visible, were black by default, and only became visible when hovered over. That's not great for user experience. So let's fix it. We enter this prompt. Modify the design of the Login and Learn More buttons on the homepage to ensure they are always visible. Currently, they are black and only become visible when hovered over. Adjust the button styling so that they have a clearly visible default state, while still maintaining a hover effect for interaction feedback. Now the buttons are always visible and still have a nice hover effect, much better. Next up, the Discover page. Originally, books were displayed as colorful boxes with just the title, and users had to hover over them to reveal the View Details button. This wasn't intuitive. To make browsing smoother, we want books to open a dedicated details page when clicked. Here's the fix. Modify the Discover page so that when users click on a book, they are taken to a detailed page with full book information. Currently, the books are displayed as colorful boxes with only the title, and the View Details button appears on hover. Ensure that clicking View Details correctly redirects users to a new page displaying comprehensive details about the selected book, including author, summary, genre, and other relevant information. And while we're at it, let's add book cover images instead of just titles. Here's the fix. Modify the Discover page so that each book is displayed with its cover image. The Discover page is much more engaging, making it easier for users to browse books. Before, when users clicked on a book, the details page was nearly empty. No summary, no genre, no page count. That's a big problem. So we fix it with this prompt. Modify the book details page to ensure the summary, genre, publish date, and pages sections display the correct information instead of being empty. Change the background color of these boxes to match the aesthetic of the website instead of leaving them black, making them visually distinct. Make sure the book summary is fully visible and formatted for easy readability. Now every book page is packed with complete details and looks much more polished. The Your Personal Digital Library section had a dull look. The boxes in your library, added this month, this year, and reading goal, lacked contrast and didn't fit the website's aesthetic. So we improved it with this prompt. Modify the home page to update the boxes under the heading Your Personal Digital Library. In your library, added this month, this year, and reading goal. Change their background colors to different shades that complement the website's aesthetic. Ensure the text inside each box is clearly visible by adjusting the text color or contrast accordingly. Now the home page is more visually appealing and easier to read. A wish list was missing from Booknest, an essential feature for any book lover. First, users could add books to their wish list, but they couldn't access them because there was no dedicated wish list page. So we fixed this by adding one. Add a wish list button to the homepage navigation panel. When clicked, it should redirect users to a dedicated wish list page displaying all the books they have wish listed. Ensure that the books appear with their cover images, titles, and relevant details in a visually appealing layout that matches the website's aesthetic. Now users can save books they want to read later and actually access them. Some books, like Before We Were Strangers, were missing their cover images. Here's how we fixed it. Go to Google and search for Before We Were Strangers book cover. Right-click the correct image and select Copy Image Address. Paste that link into this prompt. Update the book cover image for Before We Were Strangers in the Browse More Books section to ensure it displays correctly. Use this image link. Ensure the cover is properly visible and aligned with the existing book layout without any loading errors. Now the book covers are correctly displayed. Originally, only a few books, like the Midnight Library and Clara and the Sun, had complete details. We needed all books to have the same level of information. So, we improved it with this prompt. Update the functionality for the Browse More Books section to ensure that when users click on any book, it properly redirects them to the detailed book page. Currently, only the Midnight Library, Clara and the Sun, Project Hail Mary, and The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue display their respective genre, published date, page count, and summary sections. All other books must also open their corresponding detailed pages with complete book information, maintaining consistency across the platform. Now every book has full details, ensuring consistency across the platform. Let's take a look at the final website. With the help of Fenado's AI, we've transformed Booknest into a polished, user-friendly platform. Navigation is smoother, the design is cleaner, and every book has complete details. This makes for a much better user experience. With these improvements, Booknest now offers a smoother and more visually appealing experience. Stay tuned for the second part of this tutorial, where we will focus on advanced design elements and aesthetics. Thank you for watching, and happy reading with Booknest.